the next part I'm going to add into this train assembly is the supports for the axles that the wheels will spin on. So if I go to Assemble button again, into my parts folder, and we're looking for this file called Axle Support. If I click Open on that, and there we've got the axle support part, so I left click as usual. I'm going to select this top flat face, rotate the shape around, and then select the under face of this base, the underside face. Now it's changed it to distance, so I'm going to make that coincident. I'm going to select this side face, and then the side face of my base, and again it's made it a distance, so I'm going to change that to a coincident. And then I'm going to select the front face of the axle support and the front face of the base, and I want this to be a distance this time, so I'll leave it as distance, but I want it to be 30, set in 30 away from this front face. So I'm going to type 30. As you can see, it's gone the wrong way, so all I do is type -30 instead and press return, and that's now set it back 30 millimeters from the front edge. So I click the green tick to say I'm happy with that. I'm going to select Assemble again, Assemble Part, get another axle support. Again, as with the sides of the cab, it's remembering the constraints that I've already put on this previous part, but I don't want that, so I'm going to take off that and put it on place manually. So I'm going to take the top face and the underside face, change that to a coincident. I'm going to take this side face and this side face, change that to a coincident, and then I'm going to take this front face here and this front face, and I want it to be a distance, but I want it to be near a distance of 92.5, and press return, and that's correct now. So just got one more axle support to add in, so if I click on Assemble, Assemble Parts, and then Axle Support. Again, it's trying to remember all the previous constraints, so I'm going to take those off by clicking on Place Manually. And now I'm going to select the top face and bottom face and change that to a coincident. Side face, again a coincident, and that back face there, and then the back face of the base. And again, I do want this as a distance, so I'm going to change that to 30, press return, then click on the green tick, and there we've got all of the axle supports required.